Hello guys again. I'm gonna grab my move tool and I'm gonna press Control and drag to do, and but I need to make zoom out. A little hard. Let's do it again. So first of all, I'm gonna select again. Alright. So let's select this. I'm gonna do the other side. That will be easy for me. Okay. And then rotate it. Zoom out. Okay. Get closer to the corner. Okay. So I'm gonna grab my move tool. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna move to do that endpoint. So after that, I'm gonna press divided by 40. Alright. So our fan is ready now. Okay. Alright. And then I'm gonna create a way here. Let's grab the rectangle tool from here. Doesn't matter the size. Okay, just grab create a rectangle. It will be a way to the deck. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna delete that line. Delete that line, and then select bucket tool and find go to landscape and fencing and vegetation and choose whatever you want. So I'm gonna select that one. Alright. Okay, it's good. So I'm gonna create another rectangle here. Okay. To make a deck. Alright. And then push it up a little bit. Okay. And I'm gonna put, guys, table and chairs. Okay, let's change the color of the thing with wood options. Okay, let's find wood. Roofing wood. I think that will be good. Or in landscaping and fencing and vegetation, you're gonna see that the end of the thing, that was thing. Okay, choose that one. That will be good for us. And rotate your thing, and change the side color as well. Alright. Okay, let's do the same thing for other sides. Okay. Change color. Change color. Alright. Okay. We good. So let's find, go to components, guys. Let's find uh, Patio table. Okay. At the bottom, you are gonna see Patio table with chair by Sipif Smile. Choose that one, and after choosing, attach on your deck. Okay, that's good. And then find a grill. Type grill. I think it's second tab. Go to second and choose gas grill. Okay. And I'm gonna rotate my grill first. Grab your rotate tool, and on top of the thing, okay. Oh, I need to do it again. Zoom in. I need to see top of my thing, okay. And I need to see that blue X, okay. And I need to rotate it, okay. 180 degree, okay. So here we go. Then I'm gonna move to do center here. That's good. And then I'm gonna add some plant here. Okay, let's go to components again. Components, say plant. You're free to choose whatever you want. Okay, I'm gonna choose that one. House plant. Okay, I'm gonna copy paste. I'm gonna grab my move tool and press Ctrl and copy paste. Select and grab move tool and copy and copy. And copy. Same idea. And you can add more. Let's go components. Say plant. Okay. Let's find more plants. Okay. Here we go. Okay. You are free to decorate your own freely. Okay. So I'm gonna add 2, 3 out of my page. Okay, let's go and type 3. Okay. Alright. Find the 3 that made it by JB. Okay. I'm gonna copy that on green X. Alright. Let's attack the outage. Okay guys, we are done. Please submit your file into my Google Classroom. Thank you for watching that.